Hello and welcome. I'm Kate Field and I am so glad you found your way here. I'm an artist, teacher and an encourager of creative souls. I've spent more than 30 years helping people of all ages and of all stages to rediscover the joy of making art. And this channel is a gentle, joyful space to explore your creativity without pressure or perfection, just curiosity, colour and a little courage. I share weekly videos every Monday and Friday, and you'll find art tutorials, doodle prompts, collage play, sketchbook ideas and reflections to help you slow down and to reconnect with your own creative self. Sometimes we paint, sometimes we cut and glue, sometimes we just play with colour and see where it might go. And all of it is welcome. Oh, and on a Wednesday, I share a little podcast, my Wednesday Wandering, where I talk about art and writing and poetry and the interesting people I've been reading about. We also have a wonderful online community, 2 Facebook groups full of kind, creative people who cheer each other on, and you are very, very welcome to join us. So whether you are picking up a paintbrush for the first time, or perhaps you're returning to art after years away, or simply looking for a little more peace and play in your life, you are very, very welcome here. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope this space brings you joy. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.